Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into the world of fitness with a guide to the best treadmills available right now. Whether you're looking to maintain your cardio routine at home, train for a marathon, or just get moving, these treadmills are designed to meet your needs. We'll be showcasing top models that offer everything from high-tech features to reliable performance. Ready to find the perfect treadmill for your fitness goals? Let's get started. And don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. NordicTrack Commercial 2450 Incline Treadmill. The NordicTrack Commercial 2450 Incline Treadmill stands out as a top-tier choice for fitness enthusiasts who want to bring professional-grade workouts into their home. Part of the NordicTrack Commercial series, this treadmill offers advanced features and cutting-edge technology that set it apart from others in its class. Immersive interactive training. The NordicTrack 2450 comes with a 30-day iFit family membership, valued at $39, providing access to live and on-demand workouts. The 14-inch HD touchscreen enhances your workout experience, allowing you to stream iFit workouts directly to the treadmill. The Smart Response motor is optimized for running and cardio training, ensuring a smooth, effective session. Customizable workouts. With a NIDA 3 to 15% one-touch incline control and 12 megapower smart one-touch speed control, the treadmill automatically adjusts based on your iFit trainer's recommendation. This feature enables you to simulate real-world terrain and customize your workout intensity. Space-saving design. The space-saver design with Easy Lift Assist allows for easy folding and storage. Despite its robust features, the treadmill is designed with space efficiency in mind, making it ideal for home use. Enhanced comfort and durability. The 22-inch by 60-inch tread belt provides ample room for both leg and elbow movement. Number 4. Peloton Treadmill. The Peloton Tread is an advanced treadmill designed for a range of activities including running, walking, and hiking. Known for its performance-driven features, this treadmill provides an immersive workout experience that extends beyond just cardio. With a compact design and robust functionality, the Peloton Tread is an excellent choice for fitness enthusiasts looking for a high-quality machine to support their exercise routine. Versatile workout options. The Peloton Tread is more than just a treadmill. It's a versatile fitness machine. Whether you're running, walking, or hiking, this treadmill is built to enhance your experience. Additionally, you can step off the treadmill and join strength training. Number 3. Bowflex Treadmill 22 Home Treadmill. The Bowflex Treadmill 22 is a top-tier home treadmill designed to meet the needs of fitness enthusiasts who seek a dynamic and engaging workout experience. Part of the Bowflex Treadmill series, this model combines advanced features with a robust build to deliver a versatile workout solution suitable for walking, jogging, and running. Versatile incline training. The Bowflex Treadmill 22 offers motorized decline and incline options ranging from -5% to 20%, making it ideal for a variety of workout intensity. The extended handlebar grips enhance stability during high-incline workouts, allowing users to challenge themselves with uphill and downhill running simulations. Integrated motivation and entertainment. Motivation is built into every workout with the Bluetooth-enabled heart rate armband that helps you stay within your target zone. Additionally, the treadmill features Bluetooth speakers that surround you with sound, creating an immersive workout environment. The 22-inch touchscreen not only provides workout data but also supports streaming services like Netflix and Prime Video, allowing you to watch your favorite shows while exercising. JRNY All-Access Membership. Number 2. NordicTrack Commercial X22i Incline Treadmill. The NordicTrack Commercial X22i Incline Treadmill is a high-end treadmill designed for fitness enthusiasts seeking an intense and engaging workout experience. Known for its advanced incline capabilities and luxurious features, this treadmill offers a comprehensive solution for those looking to push their limits, whether through walking, jogging, or running. Exceptional incline and decline range. The NordicTrack X22i stands out with its impressive -6% to 40% incline range, providing an unparalleled incline training experience. Whether simulating downhill slopes or steep uphill climbs, this treadmill allows you to target different muscle groups, intensify your workouts, and burn more calories in less time. The one-touch incline control ensures smooth transitions between incline levels. Number 1. Technogym MyRun Treadmill. Technogym MyRun Treadmill is a compact and advanced treadmill designed for home use, offering a refined design and a range of features aimed at enhancing your running and walking experience. With its adaptive running surface and seamless integration with your tablet, the MyRun Treadmill delivers a high-quality workout experience while fitting effortlessly into your home gym setup. Adaptive running surface. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.